Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of June 3rd through the 9th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner, if I can still pick up the front. It looks like this on the front, inside cover. We're now in the first full week of June. Kind of crazy that we're already there, but we are. So for this week, I'm using leftovers from this kit called Tiana by Chels. It's a pretty old kit at this point, but I did want to use up the leftovers, and I feel like the colors are perfect for summer. So I thought it would be really fun to use. I did do a little rearranging on the kit, so these two full boxes were not originally the ones that were here, but I moved them so that I had everything where I wanted it to be. But I do have these two long boxes, two full boxes here, some checklists, one more full box here, another long checklist, some short checklists, a few headers, some deco / functional stuff, a couple boxes, a set of glitter headers, a few little thing size boxes, some more deco there. And that's what I have in the kit. To go along with this, I did pull some stuff out. So the reason I rearranged the full boxes is I had some long, these were all happy planner size boxes that are leftovers. I honestly don't even remember where these leftovers came from, but I thought they kind of went with the vibe. So I trimmed all of them to full box size and put them in here. And then these are the scraps that are like with it. I might use some of them, we'll see. And then I also needed, there's only 5 headers here. So I pulled 2 more headers, again, a leftover from who even knows where. So I got that as well. And then I needed a little bit more stuff. So I did pull these leftovers from Avalon and Night. This was from kit 61, I guess. So these were the date dots, which I have all the right dates, and I felt like the colors went pretty well. They're a little more muted than the actual colors, a little more blue, but I thought that it still went. So I'm gonna use these date dots for the dates that I need. I'm also going to use this kind of like olivey color headers. It's not the same size glitter, but I think that's gonna look fine as well. So I'm gonna use that stuff. And then I did also pull out, this is an Erin Condren sticker book. I'm gonna use it for some of the gold stuff that's in there. And then I also pulled out this American Craft sticker book. Again, gonna use it for some of the like gold and other pieces in here. But specifically, I wanted to pull out, if I can find it, I have a set of gold foiled date names, days of the week names. So I'm going to use those. So my plan is to put this stuff down. And then lastly, I did pull out, this is Simply Gilded washi, like gold hollow crush with white bows. And then this one that has like vines on it in gold foil, this is from Michaels. And then this really skinny purple with turquoise washi, which I've never even used, from Amazon. So my plan is to use this combo as the bottom washi, just to give it to some pizzazz. So I'm gonna put this down, I'm gonna put this down, the date dots, all of the headers, which I need like several pages to get to all the headers. I think this is everything. I'm gonna set all these pages to the side until I need them. So I'm gonna do all of that stuff, and then I will be back so that we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we are at so far. I think it's looking really cute. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. I did pull in an I Buy M fine liner just to write June so that we can remember what month it's in. It's purple. I thought it was convenient, so I'm just using that. So next up is figuring out all the boxes that I'm going to be using. So first off, I think probably the easiest part is I'm going to start with the sidebar, and I'm going to use the long boxes in the sidebar as, I mean, I think that should be pretty obvious. since that's where they fit. But we'll see. Okay, so I want to use one, and then how much space is going to be left? Not a lot of space. Okay, I'm going to leave just a little gap and align the second one at the next line. Oh, that fits like perfectly. Okay, that's super cute and I really like it. Okay, next up, I think probably this box makes the most sense to put on Thursday because it's like boring, but I'm gonna add gold to it. Looking in this Erin Condren sticker book, it's just this page that has all of this nice foiling. I think I'm gonna pull this one that says every day. Or do we want the make your own magic? Ooh, that seems like very appropriate since it kind of goes with the like baked goods vibe. Okay, so we're gonna use this one that says make your own magic. Let me find my tweezers again so that I can use it. I'm trying to center it now because it's gonna be really annoying once we put the box down. Okay, that actually looks really good and pretty centered. Okay, so I'm going to lay that down right there. That means this page is done. So that's recycled. Great. Love it. Love to get rid of some stuff. And then I think I kind of want to divide up these other boxes that come from the kit with the ones that I'm supplementing. I think it'll make it less noticeable that they're not all, you know, exactly the same texture and colors and all of that kind of stuff. I think I should have swapped these because of the brown backgrounds, but once everything is in, I don't think it's going to matter. So looking here, there's two that are more like blue and two that are more pink, as well as two that are tie-dye and two that aren't. So I kind of want to mix that up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go for pattern division. Okay, so these two here, and then I'm gonna stick this one right here, and this one, oops, this one right here. None of these were like cut perfectly because it was all cut by me, so I have to deal with that. All right, so now I'm down to just these little scraps, which I think I'm gonna just stick to another page so that I don't have to deal with this page anymore. So this page is now done. Another one to get rid of. That's exciting. And now we can start working on the daily stuff. I have no habit trackers, but honestly, that doesn't bother me. I will be just fine without it. So to start out with, work is obviously the thing that we all have to deal with. My plan is to use some of the deco for work because I feel like that's pretty appropriate. A lot of it is kind of like work-related deco anyway, and then it lets me use some more up. So I'm just going to use a stock pot, and then let's see, Tuesday. Maybe I can use this little like hot sauce. Okay, that's cute. And then this little top. There we go. Okay, and then I will pull in two more. I think this little money guy and maybe the phone to use later. All right. The next thing I want to mark is my videos. I think that I want to just use up these two boxes to mark my videos for the week. They're a little bit extra, but I don't really care. So we're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna pull the other one while I'm at it so I don't have to remember, and that's also another sheet done. So that's great. Okay, for Monday, it's my plan with me. So I need one of these planners. I will use this cute little purple one. There we go. Tuesday and Wednesday, I currently have like nothing planned. Don't know what's happening. Then we're on the second half of the week. I'm gonna pull in the little phone and the money. I'm not sure if this Friday is a payday, but you know, the vibes, it'll work. There, Thursday, also nothing planned. So that leaves Friday. I'm putting in my video. This is, I think, gonna be my May monthly highlights. Is gonna go in. I think I'm gonna use this little film reel. There we go. That looks super cute. And then for the weekend, I currently have nothing planned. Really not sure what's happening over the weekend either. So pretty bare bones in terms of pre-planning, but we have gotten to here and I think it's looking really cute. So I will do another wiggle and another twerk. I think it's looking really good. And I think that the mix of boxes doesn't really look out of place with all the colors that are already in this kit anyway. So I think that's where I stand right now, and stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I'll give it a little wiggle and a twerk. There is a bit of foiling on here for sure. I did, I think, do a really good job with the Chasing Chels kit. I have this checkbox, a few little deco / icons, couple more check boxes here, and then this page that I can recycle / get rid of. So I think I did a really good job using up this kit, which was great. So that was the main goal, was to work on the Chasing Chels kit. If I don't mention it, it did come from that. This pen is an I Buy and Fine Liner from Amazon. The bottom washi is from Simply Gilded. The skinny middle one is from Amazon, and the top one is from Michaels. All these little day stickers are from American Crafts. The date dots are from Avalon and 9th. Mostly I used headers from Avalon and 9th, as well as what was left of the kit. So these are Avalon and 9th headers. These are from Chasing Chels. All the ones on the top are from Chasing Chels, except these two dark pink ones, which were in my leftovers. I don't know where they came from. And then I used up the boxes from the kit. But then I added this box, this one, and this one. These were just in my leftovers. Honestly, can't remember where they came from. This little Make Your Own Magic comes from an Erin Condren sticker book. And then going down the individual sections, this is an American Crafts sticker. This Embrace the Days from American Crafts, as is this thumbs up. That's a little strip that's left over from here when I trimmed it down. This box is from American Crafts. Another trimmed down strip. This flag is from American Crafts. Another flag from American Crafts. Another leftover strip. And then over here, I think everything came from that Chasing Chels kit. So and then this tie-dye was another leftover strip. So I think I really used up stuff very well, which was great, and I do love how this turned out. So that's all I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went, or if you don't have anything that you want to leave me a donut emoji. Friday was National Donut Day, so that sounds like a great thing to leave an emoji about. Plus, this was kind of themed with the kit. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I do show in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.